Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a glue guns in your Fortnite maps like the pro creators. So let's dive in. So before we start, I have left a link to my Discord server in the description. When you join, go to bots and go to Fortnite bots, and here type a glue gun. Write a slash and glue gun. Select this and here write any weapon you need it. For example, I want to write a rocket ram. Okay, here choose the retrieve for this weapon. For example, let's choose the mythic. Okay, here you can skip this and put the intro. Ta-da! You create a weapon with a glue in his background. And now you can download this image. Let's make it any names like this. Okay, now go to files and you will find it here. When the last, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you in next video.